All right, so what are the changes? First change, thickness of the headstock. Now is the appropriate thickness. Now you'll be able to tighten up a tuner on here and not have it spin around on the back without the screw. Give it a nice little angle over here. I might have to put a string tree over here. I don't know yet until I get the nut and some strings on here. Fretboard, even on both sides as far as not having a bow in it anymore. Not being wider on one side than it is on the other. That's been taken care of. Sides are nice and even and flush. No lip over there anymore. No lip on this side anymore either. Curves, sharp where they're supposed to be, curved where they're supposed to be. All the way around. That's the way it was routed, and that's the way it continues. Bondo over here, not too bad. Worked out all right. A little bit of Bondo over here, a little bit of Bondo on the top over here. This one I could probably fine tune it just a little bit more, but that's okay because I still have a couple of spots on here that I found and I'm going to have to go over with some, like right over here. You see that? There's some nicks in the wood, which I'll end up taking care of that. A little bit of a flat spot right here. I'll get that fixed as well with a little bit of a nick in there too. All the edges are sharp. Fixed all this around the pocket for the controls. Thickened up. You kind of see how thick it is now. It's about right as far as how thick it should be. Before it was way too thin. And this stuff is really nice and hard to where, well, I'm not going to be tightening it up and squishing this out. It's dried up really good. Nice and straight for the ferrules compared to what they were. Over here is really nice. Sharp where it's supposed to be. Sharp where it's supposed to be. Neck, nice and smooth. No waves in it. No dips in it. No cuts in it. No nothing. It's got probably like a D shape to it, I like to say. Because that I didn't change. I just sanded it smooth and got out whatever was in it. Over here and here, equal now the way it's supposed to be. This is all cut the way it's supposed to be now. Depth-wise is good. You see where the string throughs are compared to where the string throughs were. Also where the string was here, or the mount was here for the bridge compared to where the mount was right there for the bridge. Like I said, if I were to move this neck, yeah, that would be twice the size of it is what it is now. I would have to add a piece of wood in here. And that would probably weaken the neck a little bit as well because the neck would be moved that way and it would be more of an overhang over here and who knows how much to glue. So there would probably be like somewhere back over here. So all that will be open from where my fingernail is towards the tip of where the pickup cavity is, all the way up here. That would all be open because of this. All edges nice and sharp where they're supposed to be. All this has been fixed and corrected. All this is nice and smooth. It feels like a transition from one piece of wood to another without even having a notice of that there is two pieces of wood over here. All right. So I just got a couple spots that I need to put a little bit of wood filler in and sand that down a little bit and then go ahead and hit this probably with the veneers and get that done. Yay.